Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Toon App. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Toon App. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. First, open the Play Store. Tap the search bar and type Toon App. Next, tap Install at the right of Toon App. After Toon App has been downloaded, open it. Tap Continue. And tap Allow. And that's how you download Toon App. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.